God said, let your birthday be wet.
I'm not even surprised, honestly.
We have to wait till the rain stops and we're about to go on this long little tour here. That I planned out, obviously. Usually the monkeys are right there.
Oh, there they are. They're on top of the car. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. On top of the car, they're fighting. Oh my god, I hate monkeys.
Okay.
I'm about to square up with one of these monkeys.
Dude, look at that one right there.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Wait, keep a
I'm
video.
scared.
Look over in the
Look how ugly it is.
Oh, they chill.
They're not chill. They're gonna kill me.
Take a video, please. Ooh, so this is the Rang Hill viewpoint. There's a bunch of monkeys everywhere. They're literally just everywhere. Bro, they're so fun.
Let him grab your GoPro and carry it around.
Oh, fuck no. You won't get that shit back.
For the record, I hate monkeys. I hate them so much. They're so ugly, they're so mean. I'm so scared. And I know they sense it because I'm just a weak link, but I hate this. And this is a way to wake up my birthday. Thanks, Adam.
Hey, you got more plans, okay?
Look at this.
Oh, you're smart, bro. Why are you so scared of them? Dude, that one's got a fat ass. What's wrong with it?
Scares him off.
It's kind of cool. I don't know what this is. It's all in Thai. Rang Hill Viewpoint. This is dope. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, he just took the whole bag! Bro! He straight just took the whole bag! Chad already lost all of his bananas. The monkey just snatched it. Had to give him more to go get some. Alright, he's got a few. Oh! They fucking took it again. Dude, he fucking... I was trying to get a fucking picture. That was the funny. Bro, that one screamed at you. I got it. Jen was videotaping too. Bro, I was almost got it on my camera too. I'm pissed.
Handle one, and he fucking just. Oh shit! All right.
Boom, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. All right, headed to the bottom of the island now. Grab some food on the way. Let's go. How are the monkeys, Jen? That was a crazy drive. Way crazier than driving in Krabi. That's for sure. This is dope. There's one of the beaches. Food.
Let's go.
Yeah. That's tight. Well, it's like 2 o'clock. It is super hot. And stopped at some place to get some lunch. And we're headed to Karen Beach next. Well, we definitely just watched her take that chicken out of a glass box right over there and just chop off a leg, not cook it, and throw it on top of some rice. So the rice isn't terrible, but I don't know how safe the chicken would be. Alright, well, we're definitely about to go to another place right now because this ain't that good. And it'll probably send you to the toilet really fast, so it's only $1.50, like $4. Karen, look out. Journey to get up here. Now we're at Karen Beach. It reminds me a lot of like
Hey, Dubai.
Venice of Thailand. I'm gonna find some actual food. Boba tuk tuk. Hell yeah, Taro. Alright, well, guess we're not swimming at this beach. We're going to take Chad to bungee jumping. Cool. Oh my god. This is literally it right here behind me. It's like a claim. And then you just jump. Oh, that's funny.
Like 5 minutes. What? My fucking shorts are falling. We're getting it done.
Yep.
One more? It's tempting. Holy shit.
That was dope.
Yeah, do that first. I was like, oh, bro. I jump off, dude. The first like 3 seconds was like, holy shit.
Oh god.
Dude, even when you bounce back up and drop again, it's like, woo!
Did it hurt at all? What they do, tie it around your leg?
Yeah, they tie like that foam thing around your legs, and then they take like a.
You feel like they're yanking your legs out of your body. It's actually a lot cooler. In the day with a nice little swim. Probably the best thing. Yeah, Chad's bunch of